Z-Axis has been ISO 9001 certified for 16 years. This demonstrates our commitment to quality, but we do more than simply meet the minimum requirements for a quality management system. Because Z-Axis serves the medical and aerospace industries, we build complex products that require strict quality control. Our QC department carefully inspects what we make, and they also ensure incoming supplier quality. Today, many electronics manufacturers often move all incoming parts from dock to stock, as it's known. At Z-Axis, we perform incoming inspections for built-to-print parts before moving them to inventory. This gets us a higher quality product, but we also learn if there's a gap between what our design engineer specified and what a supplier can achieve. If there is, QC feeds this back to design engineering for continuous improvement. Our QC department also performs in-process inspections, often multiple times. For example, if an assembly uses both surface mount and through-hole parts, it's inspected at each step of the way. Outgoing inspections also enable us to find problems. Our part per million defect rate has improved consistently over the last 12 years, and Z-Axis is building more sophisticated products than ever before. How do we know that quality keeps improving? We evaluate any returned product to determine our outgoing quality. We also track customer-reported issues, even when they're not returned. What we call ZIPS, the Z-Axis Inspection Protocol System, is an especially valuable tool. QC uses it to define a part's critical to quality, or C to Q, characteristics so that inspectors know exactly what to inspect or measure. Whether it's for dimensional requirements or something as straightforward as a cosmetic requirement, QC enters measurements and ZIPS determines a pass or fail. In addition to the IPC 610 requirements that we meet, Z-Axis can add any additional inspection points in ZIPS, including customer-specific requirements. We can also add inspection points to prevent quality escapes, which is instances where a product passes QC checks but ends up being defective. With quality control at Z-Axis, we know we're inspecting the right things and have a complete record of what we've inspected. This is obviously critical for quality, but it's also essential for continuous improvement.